Hello, my name is 𝗂𝗲𝗰𝗲𝗀𝗀 and I'm the head of mathematics at Harrow International School, Bengaluru.
Hello everyone, I'm 𝗕𝗲𝗡𝗂𝗀. I'm one of the maths teachers at Harrow, Bengaluru.
It's an honor to be here attending this workshop. Thank you for your invitation.
I'm new to IB and I'm new to using these Texas instruments. I found this workshop to be really enriching.
It's been a very insightful and also practical workshop about the GDC from Texas Instruments.
I found out that it's got so many functions and functions that I have used before on websites and stuff.
We've learned a great deal, not only about the technicalities of the calculator, but how to bring alive mathematics and engage more our students visually and conceptually.
To see a calculator that has so many functions into just one small handheld thing, I think that's awesome.
So thank you very much, and I hope to embed these technologies and strategies into our classroom.
And I'm excited to use it in my lessons, and I'm sure the students will love it too.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.